In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download ComfyUI easily. So basically, this is an application called Stability Matrix. This right here. Go to lycos.ai and you're gonna download the latest version. Just press this and it'll start downloading. I already have it, so I'm not gonna do that. Stability Matrix. Open it. It's gonna tell you to download all the prerequisites, so you're gonna make sure you download all of that. Okay, once you do that, you're gonna press add package here, and as you can see, it says ComfyUI. So press ComfyUI. As you can see, it says installation with this name already exists. I already installed it, but you're gonna press this install button and just wait for it to download. And yeah, that's basically it. If you want to go into the files and add all your checkpoints and everything, press the three dots on top and go to the Open in Explorer. And right here you have all these files. You could go to models and then put in all your checkpoints, all your lowers, and everything like that. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.